I'm struggling with re-enrolling my kids in Loudoun County Public School. On one hand, they need an education so that they can get into the schools of their choice so that they can be what they want to be when they grow up. On the other hand, they have suffered emotionally for the last 20 months and need to be with their peers in their public school. I'm struggling because Loudoun County Public School cannot give me both of those, and now I have to make a choice, and neither choice will give me a whole child. I moved here 8 years ago when this school system was a world-class educational system. The parents, the teachers, the administrators all work together for the betterment of our children. But now, because of the decisions that all of you have made, I don't believe that any child can get a quality education. I do not believe that our children can thrive in the school system. I have watched you over the past 18 months destroy a wonderful school system. Bring it back. You all have the power to do that. Ziegler, you're here. Do something. Help us. Help our children. Help the parents. Listen to us. We don't have hate in our heart. Jeff, stand up. Stand up. You're a good man. Do this for our children. John, thank you for standing up. The rest of you, I don't believe in you anymore. You need to be closing 18 months, 20 months of a learning loss. Our kids are walking into these classrooms with social anxiety and emotional challenges, and you've done nothing except train teachers in cultural competency. What about our kids? Come on, let's heal this community together. You're in the positions to do it. Let's do it together.
Thank you. Please yield the mic.